Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, it's another day and we're talking about another way to make your life easier or to live your life on easy mode. So recently I launched my own YouTube video here, Setup Claude in AI 30 minutes, and one of my friends told me that it will be better if you add a link where it redirects to YouTube app and not Chrome or YouTube on a browser. And the alternates are, I know as a tech guy, the alternates are third-party websites like Beacons Link, Linktree, etc. And I don't want that. So I already have my portfolio website here. So I thought, what if in here I could have a section, maybe just above contacts, important links, right? And I can just have a regular mapping that redirects directly to that section of my portfolio. So let's add that using Claude. So I already have my portfolio loaded here. I'll just show you real quick. GitHub, quick one. Although the repo is private, but I guess we are good. All right. So I will just fire up Claude and do remote control. Let's do that. Just in case if I want to check it out over phone because it's about to be dinner time. All right. Remote control, not remote env. Sorry. Yeah, here we have it. All right. Now check into my portfolio code and portfolio projects folder and deeply think using sequential thinking, MCP, and brainstorming skills. Where and how can I add a section play area where I can add my important links? So I created a new YouTube video and I want to add a URL to it in my Instagram and other pages, but the default YouTube share URL only redirects to YouTube on a web browser. It doesn't redirect to a YouTube app on phone. That's the problem that I want to solve. Create a detailed plan. Make sure to create a new branch out of main since that's the one deployed on prod. Alright, I guess this is working now. So meanwhile it works, I'll explain you the process. I have a lot of MCPs. We can talk about that in a detailed YouTube video later on in some other time. And see, it has created the tasks that how it will break down my problem and how it will work on it. Let's wait for it. I'm not sure if it pulled that one line. No, it didn't pull. Me interrupted. So you need to pull latest main branch as well. Local one might not be the latest one. So the reason why I'm doing this because third-party websites are all fine and they can give a lot of benefits, but it's nothing so crazy that I cannot develop on my own. That is one. Second, all the analytics are in my hand. So I already have Google Analytics set up in my website. And if someone clicks on a YouTube URL through my website, I get to know that. I can track that. And all it the benefit of this is not only they will just go to my YouTube video, but on the as a side mission, they might also check out my portfolio as a bonus. So that's one more benefit of having such things in your own portfolio. So let's wait for it. Working free screen. Go ahead. So it has finished exploring my project code. So okay, let's let it work. All right. So it has completed the planning halfway. So it's asking some questions. Beyond YouTube, which platform do you use Smart App Redirect support for day one? YouTube only, YouTube plus Instagram, since you're cross-posting between these, YouTube plus Instagram plus Twitter, any generic URL. Uh, right now, only for YouTube, but in future, I might have for YouTube plus Instagram plus Twitter and others. So maybe plan accordingly, create a future improvement doc, and right now, only create, only focus on YouTube videos. This is the only video right now, but it will increase right now. I will just share my YouTube video link, maybe just the core link. Right. Got it. YouTube only now. Extensible architecture for Instagram, Twitter, others later. One video to start with. Next question. How should links page fit into your site navigation? Standalone page, accessed via direct URL. Perfect for your Instagram bio link. No mention in the main portfolio navbar. Add links to the main portfolio navbar alongside about. Subtle link in the footer only. Keep in the main. My recommendation is A. Okay. Different audience. Let's do A. We can do. We maybe want to do B in some later phases. Maybe not B, but yeah, B. Later phases, but not needed right now. Let's go with A. Okay, now let's see what happens. Approach one is client-side redirect. Pros, full control over redirect US, proper social previews, OG tags, cons, slight delay, delay is fine, sensibility is good. Next.js middleware redirect, use Next.js middleware to intercept this, request, detect user agents, oversight, blah, blah, blah. Approach 3 is hybrid middleware for desktop, page for mobile, detects desktop user agents and issues of 302 to youtube.com. Mobile request pass to the client side redirect page for deep linking. Pros, my recommendation is the most robust, handles all platforms correctly, gives you social previews. Okay, so which approach gives me tracking abilities through existing Google Analytics integration? Let's see what it answers. Great question. Approach one is the only one that gave you full tracking. Let's go with approach one. Here's the design. Blah blah blah. Okay. Within design for approval. Approve. Go ahead. Implement. Create a PR on main branch with relevant description. Make sure not to co-author the commits with God. Only author should be you. Right design document review comes to implementation planning. So for some people it might seem like that, okay, it's too technical, and what if I have a new video, let's say every day, and it's better to have some third party website like Linktree to just edit the sequence of my URLs and go ahead with that. mm, but if you have watched my YouTube video, this is really easy. You just turn on your remote link and sorry, remote control, and that's it. You just give the commands that okay, design this, and if you like the design, just approve it. It will just give the YouTube video a URL. It will just link it on its own and just push it, and will auto deploy. That is it. I think it's pretty easy. Maybe it's a step or two more, but it's more seamless, better UX because you are not redirecting to some other website. It's just your website, your portfolio. I guess this is a good deal. Doing smart links feature. We'll wait for it to finish. So originally, the plan was to have some kind of section here, but it recommended it will just interrupt the uh, original flow of reading about my profile. And so that's why it created a separate link because the audience is different. The audience that wants to browse my profile or portfolio projects is different, and then those trying to get hold of the links of my content. So I like that idea. I like that philosophy behind that reasoning. So that's why I created a new links page rather than adding a section to my existing portfolio website. This is the link. Please open these URLs in browser and everything. The redirect page will try to redirect to YouTube since you're on the desktop. So you'll see brief redirect animation before it So see redirect page you have it here. You can also check the snapshot of the redirect page to the links. Nice. A few changes. Maybe I will have it use my photo here, and my photo as well as name should be clickable so that it redirects to the homepage of my portfolio. Or maybe not. That portfolio that is here. That is also fine. What is this directory? Your vacation. Alright, so this is the direct link. Fine. This looks good. Just on the links page, I want to see my photo instead of initials. Portrait, photo assets you have available. Found it. You have to know links up. That is it. Great. I'll just browse to links again, and here we have it. How about an iterating agent? That's not the
That is not
correct detail. So, can you? So, the title and description of video on links page is incorrect. Just correct that, then we're good. Title. So right now I'm providing it manually, but in later phases we can automate it uh, using some kind of YouTube API so that I will just give the link and it will dynamically pop up the title. So even in future, if I change the title and description, it will populate that accordingly without having hard coded. Description is format this accordingly for links page. Also add in future improvements to get this data dynamically. Okay. Alright, so if you go to links, this is correct now. And what would be the direct link? What would be the direct link for this video? Yeah, you have it here. I guess it will work for localhost first. 3000, yes. Are you nice? Perfect. This looks good. Raise VR now. So it's raising a pull request on GitHub, and once I merge it, it will be automatically deployed to my website. I am doing all the deployments through Vercel because it provides seamless integrations between GitHub and the deployment. So let's see. I have it here. Right, deployment. So this is the version that got deployed. All right. So I merge it to be deployed to the main. Fine. So let's wait for actions to finish. Yeah, it's deploying now. Deployment is done. Let's try it out maybe with the links. Yes, it's working now. So I'll just set this up on Instagram instead of any third-party URLs, and it took about like 30 minutes and maybe 5 minutes of my time, and rest was just Claude's time, and which I could have easily done through my phone. So I forgot to mention one thing. This whole portfolio that I have, I created this whole, including the design, the visual elements, the animations, everything using Claude. The whole theory behind this, the color scheming, the gradients, the flows, the sections, divisions, all was done through Claude. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a separate video of how you can create your own portfolio and automate the portfolio deployment as well. Uh, so that you can have your own portfolio, your own website with minimal hassle, minimal maintenance. Let me know in the comments. So see you in next video. This was how you can make your life easy or how you can live your life on easy mode through Claude. Thank you.